On top inside Edo today, Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok am say construction work go start for Okpella-Ososo road once rainy season finish. Governor Godwin Obaseki tok dis one for di reception of late Eugene Atta wey shele for Ososo for Akoko Edo local government area. Im tok say dem don already dey do di design work of di road, and once di rain fall finish, work go start for di road, as dis one go reduce traffic wey dey for di road if Ososo festival dey shele. Governor Godwin Obaseki come tok say late Eugene Atta na man wey dem go remember for di good tins wey im do before im die, and say one of di good tins na say e train all im children for school, and now all di children dey do well. Im tok say late Atta live successful life sotey one of im son na im be di managing director of Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas wey be NLNG. Obaseki tok say before Edo man dey fit be MD of NLNG na good tin, and e mean say im papa na good man, and na dis one na im make wen im waka come pay am im last respect. Tony Atta wey be di first son of late Eugene Atta come tok say im papa live good life, and say im papa na peacemaker and na person wey no get enemies, and e no dey keep malice. Tony Atta tok say im papa teach dem hard work, discipline, fear of God, and e teach dem say make wetin dem get dey reach dem, and dat one na contentment. Tony Atta yarn am say im papa na good man, although he no be rich man, but e dey rich because e do plenty good things for plenty people, even with di small thing wen im get. And so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, on top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok am say construction work go soon start for Okpella-Ososo road. Make una no forget say na T Live Media na im dey bring dis ogbonge update dey come give una.